In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Drive PDF. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to download a PDF from your Google Drive to your computer, so you can view it offline, share it, or attach it to an email. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so you can access your files. You'll know you're signed in if you see your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. Look toward the top right of the Google homepage for the small grid icon made up of 9 dots. This is the Google Apps button. Click it to open a panel that lists Google services. From that panel, choose Drive. If you don't see it immediately, scroll within the panel or use the search bar at the top of the Apps window. Once Google Drive opens, you'll see your files and folders. Locate the PDF you want to save to your device. If you have a lot of content, use the search bar at the top of Drive and type part of the file name or add .pdf to narrow the results. When you find the file, click it to open the preview. The preview gives you a quick look at the document and also shows a set of controls along the top. In the preview toolbar, find the download icon. It looks like a downward pointing arrow. Click that icon to begin the download. If you don't see the icon right away, widen your browser window or open the More Actions menu, represented by 3 vertical dots, and choose Download there. Your browser will either start saving the file automatically or ask where you want to put it. By default, most browsers save to the Downloads folder on your computer, and the file will keep its name from Drive. Give the download a moment to finish. Larger PDFs or slower connections may take a bit longer, so waiting for the progress indicator to complete ensures you get the full file. When it's done, you can open the PDF directly from your browser's download shelf, or navigate to your Downloads folder to view it. If you prefer a different location, move or rename the file after it's saved so it's easy to find later. That's all there is to it. You opened Google, used the Apps menu to get to Drive, selected your PDF, and clicked the download icon. With these steps, you can quickly save any PDF from Google Drive to your computer whenever you need it.